In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy coins in pre-sale using Binance Launchpool. Whether you're new to crypto or just exploring different investment strategies, understanding how to navigate Binance Launchpool can enhance your trading experience significantly. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you need to log into your Binance account. This is your gateway to the Launchpool, and if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up on Binance's website, which is straightforward. Once you're logged in, you're all set to move on to the next part of the process. Next, you'll want to tap on More on the Binance homepage. This will open up a menu of various options you can explore. Scroll through these options until you find Launchpool. Click on it and it will take you to the Launchpool page. For anyone unfamiliar, Launchpool is a platform that allows you to earn tokens from new crypto projects in exchange for staking your own cryptocurrency. Once you're on the Launchpool page, it's time to select a project you're interested in. Take a good look at the projects listed there. Each one offers details on what they're about and what their goals are. You'll want to pick a project that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. After you've done your research and made your pick, you'll be staking tokens. This essentially means you're committing your tokens to support this project. Now, after you've staked your tokens, you'll start earning new project tokens over time. It's a passive process, so once your tokens are staked, they'll automatically generate rewards over the project duration. The amount you earn depends on the number of tokens you've staked and the specific project's reward structure. So, patience is key here while your tokens accumulate. Finally, when you're ready, you'll want to claim the earned tokens to your wallet. This step finalizes your participation in the project and allows you to use, trade, or hold these tokens as you see fit. Binance provides easy to follow instructions right there on the Launchpool page to help you claim what you've earned. That wraps up our guide on buying coins in pre-sale through Binance Launchpool. It's a straightforward yet potentially rewarding process that opens up new investment opportunities for users. Be sure to do your own research on each project and only invest token amounts that you're comfortable with. With these steps in mind, you'll be well on your way to navigating pre-sales on Binance with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy investing.